And you?
I'm from Agra, UP, Uttar
Okay,
Pradesh.
nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you. I'm too glad to meet you as well as and thank you for support me. Thank you for and found me on the YouTube channels. That's why your conversation with me now.
Yeah, yeah, your English is very good.
Yeah, thank you for this as well as I wanna ask some question. Do you want to speak English fluent?
Yes, I want to speak.
Absolutely, you will speak English fluent. First of all, with concentrations, understand every word, vocabulary with concentration. Then you can understand every every sentence that's like this, and like you are taking new actions. Then you can understand. Yeah, absolutely. This is my task. English is your task. Then you, if you don't do this unless you achieve this. So please focus on the one target. My target is only English. Then focus only one directions, not wander here and there unnecessary. Not only focus one place. Concentrate.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So how you long been on Kamli?
Oh, I know. Cambly is one of the best, and I found ago 2 months. I found this ago 2 months since I've been following this Cambly, and as well as this is good platform, and you should start Cambly.
Yeah. So are you from English medium or Hindi medium only? How did you learn English first?
By the way, I am from, I'm going to Hindi medium, totally Hindi, not English. But since I started English spoken, only one focus, my only one goal, English, 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 only keep on English.
Okay. So means you are from Hindi medium, then also you learned English, like right?
English, yeah, absolutely. This is my task. This is my something follow and follower, as somebody say this talk. And how do you understand English too much? Because you belong to Hindi medium school. Then matter, I belong to Hindi medium, but mind is not a belong to Hindi medium.
Yeah, yeah.
Mind you
So
have to make understand your mind that you understand step by step. Your mind, your mind is like a silence. If you give a follow, if you give it, you command your mind, then your mind follow your instructions.
yeah, so why are you learning English? You want to teach or you want to do something else or you want to maybe
I
go
don't want to
to
teach. I don't want to teach. I wanna only job. I wanna get job abroad job.
okay. So
That's
how
why
old are you now?
I'm 20-year-old.
Okay, I am 21.
21. Okay, no, normal. As you are elder 1 year than me.
Yeah, I am elder to you 1 year. So now what are you doing in studies?
And by the way, I am doing BA third year. I will complete BA third year in this year. Bachelor
Okay,
of Arts.
yeah, I know. I have
And
completed my graduation and this year I will be going for some studies like B.Ed is there. So I will be doing that one.
B.Ed.
Yeah,
Oh,
Bachelor of
super.
Education.
Bachelor of Education. Okay. As well as, but you didn't get job almost.
No, I did not try.
Okay. Which job will you get job? Which job do you want?
I want to teach in English to students in future. That's my plan. So I am preparing for that. Just I have started to learn English and I have started to speak English. And I want to be little fluent in English. So therefore I am trying nowadays some of the apps and just trying to call the people who know English and try to converse with them so that I can get something from them and have some experience from
Oh.
everyone. Yeah, so
Mhm.
I am trying for that
Good.
nowadays.
First of all, understand yourself, then somebody understand you. I'm a
Yeah,
good, somebody will make me understand good. It's not. Somebody say teaching English, but not properly. You are speaking English day by day, every way, but without practice, without communicate with anyone, you can't speak fluent.
yeah. So actually, no one is there to speak with me English. I am from Hindi background, and also in my family, even nobody knows proper Hindi also. So it's difficult for me because if someone is there to speak English, then it becomes easy for anyone. But no one is there, so I have to do something hard work. Then only I can learn. So I thought to call like you people and who knows English and who are expert in English, so that I can improve my English.
Absolutely, you will implement your English properly and make sure you will implement your English, and you will be able to speak English with your highly peoples and with comprehensive saying English as well as I'm trying to. I'm like you. I'm not a high, but I'm trying to every day. I have another channel, YouTube channel, motivational English motivational. I have another
Okay.
channel. I will send to you one link, my YouTube link. Then you will check out how is this voice, how this sound, vocabulary sound, motivational. Then you will give me my feedback or my another channel.
Yeah, yeah, of course I will give. I'll see. Just send me the link. So this is
And
my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number. Okay. So
I
you
will
can.
I will add your number in WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Do you
So
like
just
WhatsApp
use.
group?
Yeah.
Do you like WhatsApp group?
Yeah, I like it.
I have a link here. I have a group in my 35 40 candidates in my WhatsApp group. Then you can join. I will make you join in my WhatsApp group. Then you will practice with my subscriber as well as you will. And whenever you need conversation with me, then you can conversation with me. Otherwise, I give you one opportunity for you. Then I will tell you. Okay, I'll tell you after that this opportunity.
Yeah, yeah.
If you like this, and then you can follow me. Otherwise, this if you don't like, you can conversation 1 week, 1 day, 1 week, 2 day only. You can conversation with me. If you need, I need a conversation, then you can call me.
Okay, okay. So
I'm not I'm not a teacher. I'm your friend.
yeah, yeah, I know
We
because
can
as a
help
friend
each
only we
other.
can. Yeah. So
Yeah,
how long have you been working on YouTube?
I've
How
been
much time
working.
is over?
I go I go 7 year, 7 months. Sorry, 7 months.
Okay, 7 months.
7 months.
So you have
I
got nice network, I think.
network issue.
Yeah, means you have got the big connection with the people, right? You have
Oh,
got more audiences and
yeah.
like that.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But I don't have more than subscriber, only limitless. Almost, I can't tell, but you can. I will show you one day. I will reveal my subscriber on front of channel. Then you will see
Okay.
my. But right now I can't. I can indicate this. This is my secret. Then I will tell you. Okay, then matter. He
Okay.
will support me. Then he will get automatically about me.
Yeah, yeah. So of course I will keep you calling and I will try to learn something from you because your English is quite good, I think so. So
Quite.
no,
Thank you,
I think
Artis.
I can learn something from you.
Okay, I know three language. British, English, Hindi.
I know two languages, Hindi and English.
I know British language also. Talking in English. I know English is one, but sound is different.
Okay. I only know Indian sound only. My sound is
Yeah.
my pronunciation is not little good one and accents also does not commit like foreigner because we are not from English medium and if we try something we can do it but it takes some time.
Only you know. First of all, I recognize your talent. Which type you want to work? Which type is and which your mind in interest? Which work interest in your mind is my work is education. My work is job. My mind is interest at teaching. Then you can select to teaching regard. My mind and getting job. You can focus only getting job. Okay, only looking for a job. First, don't want in your life. If you want, so how will you achievement? How will you expectation? I will achieve whatever I have thought in my life. Then you can select your interest. Go ahead
Okay.
according to your interest. In which field do you want to get job? Then you apply. You can enroll you part of life. You can like a you can take a new admissions, new type of new like a new decisions life there's, but you don't know which type of do I get job and which type of will I work. You never work. You always wonder. You will regret.
Yeah,
If I
yeah,
had if I had this, I could sortable this. First of
yeah.
all,
Okay.
identify you talent, your interest.
Yeah. So English is my passion, and I want to learn it. It's my passion, not about job or it's my passion. I love English.
Yeah, it's a passion. Passion. You are speaking English fluently, but you right now you English is so something good, something good
Yeah,
you English.
really.
Absolutely, I'm hearing a word vocabulary. This accent is good about English. How to explain? You can explain, but something you forget vocabulary sound.
Okay. So I have to work on that, right?
You have to work, but English is good. My
Okay.
my
Thank
hope,
you.
my thought. I'm saying English something good because you are beginners. I think are you beginners?
Yeah, I am beginner. Just only 3 4 months over.
Oh, it even 3 4 months, hour, months. I think.
Yeah, yeah. Almost. I was knowing little bit written English, but I was not able to speak. So just started
Yeah,
speaking before 3 months.
yeah. I can understand. So is it? I think how many members are there in your family?
I have got say four siblings, and my parents are there. So total 7 members are there in a family.
By the way, this same here. Four brother will include me and one sister and parents 7 member in my family.
Okay. So how much time is over? You are learning English.
Almost I've been speaking English mm, last 1 year.
Last 1 year. Then you
Last
have good command over English. So
last
before
one.
that you were not. Okay, go on.
I
Before
didn't
that
know
you were
how.
not doing anything.
No, I didn't know. I didn't know. But I had ideas about this, how to speak. But that time I don't know how to learn vocabulary, how to speak English, and how to communicate with anyone. But since I started with concentrate, then I am too.